Today we're going to replace the spark plug and insulator on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Unplug the fan motor wire and spark wire. Remove the insulator from the spark plug wire. Then remove the cylinder head by twisting. This is personal preference and can be achieved by keeping the cylinder head in the nailer. Using an 8mm socket, loosen the spark plug. Check, or if worn, change the spark plug. Secure the new spark plug using the socket. Place the cylinder head back into position. Connect the fan motor wire and spark wire back. Place the insulator back onto the spark plug. Position the cap back over the cylinder head until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the spark plug and insulator on the Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.